Yeah. So these are like the sweet potatoes. If you're out there and you don't know how they're made, you just see them and like eat them. So these are the sweet potatoes, sweet potato leaves, and they are made something like a hill where like these leaves are basically planted, and after some time they happen to grow. Are you seeing the whole plantation, like where they're like all of them were like planted, like they were planted. Then as we cross over, remember I told you we are in the village. We are in the village having some fun. Christmas time, we decided to go to the village. Are you seeing some of the green nature around? So that is our well. So these sides they have no borehole, they have a well. So that is the well. Are you seeing that?